How to fix the media keeps stopping issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now here tap on reset app preferences and from the pop-up again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset the app preferences for all of your apps, and after doing this the media keeps stopping error will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now here check if your phone software is updated or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software to the latest version, and after updating the software of your phone, the issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and this time tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings and again tap on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the media keeps stopping error on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.